Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the divisors of 34. If you want to learn more about divisors, please visit mathstoon.com. You can also check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Firstly, we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 34. Let's start from 1. 34 divided by 1 is 34. So 1 and 34 are the divisors of 34. Now if we try for 2, we get 17. So 2 and 17 are the divisors of 34. Now there is no number between 2 and 17 which can divide 34. So we will stop right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 34 which are in orange colors. These are 1, 2, 17 and 34. So the total number of divisors of 34 is 4. Now if you give a close look at these divisors, you can see that 2 and 17 among these numbers are prime numbers, because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and that number itself. So we can easily say that the prime divisors of 34 are 2 and 17. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, leave a comment in the comment box. Please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon please.